Hi guys and gals, Froggy here. Okay, I'm going to try to make this video as good as I can. I am squashed myself under the driver's seat. This is a C6 Z06 Corvette. It is a 2013, and what we're talking about today is the steering wheel position sensor, which is part of the active handling. All right, so this piece right here wraps around the steering column, and that's part of it. And this plug right here goes in right there, and then that takes information from this sensor and it goes to some really clever module in the car. Anyway, that's the point of this video, is that racers, autocrossers, track racers have a problem with putting different wheels on the car that don't necessarily have tire pressure sensors in them. And if the wheels do not have tire pressure sensors in them, then that gives the car a problem. After a few minutes of driving, the car thinks you've got a flat tire or your wheel fell off or something. Anyway, it creates a reduced power situation under certain driving conditions. Okay, so that's the background. There's a few ways to work around that, and one of the ways, the one I'm talking about today, is to unplug the steering wheel position sensor. I'm not going to get into the details of it because I don't really know what the details of it are. But anyway, if you unplug this, you disable the active handling. And if you disable the active handling, then the car doesn't seem to worry about the tire pressures anymore. So here's where it plugs in. Here it is. Now, what I am looking for is some smart electrical guy who can come up with a switch so that you don't have to cram yourself under the dashboard to plug and unplug this. It's very easy to do by hand. You don't even need a tool or anything, but it would be nice to have a switch wired in here or somewhere else. I'm thinking here, but it could be anywhere, that disconnects these just by throwing a switch, you know, on off, just a switch, and then run that switch up into the driver cockpit area so that it's easy to turn this on and off. Because it's nice to have it back on when you're driving home, or basically at all times you really want to have this on, except when you're fighting that tire pressure sensor issue. Okay, so yes, it's going to throw some codes and stuff when this is disconnected. Don't worry about that. This is not about that. If you're worried about those codes, then thanks for watching the video, but don't post a bunch of stuff on here about, oh, you're going to get a code on your driver information center. Don't worry about it. We're not going to be worried about that. We just want to be able to disconnect this with a switch and then connect it back up with a switch without climbing underneath. So that's it. Some smart electrical guy, please get a hold of me, and I will be the guinea pig, and you can make a little part and we'll try it out, and then if it works, we're in business. Give me a thumbs up or a like if this helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy, and have fun, be safe. See you later. Froggy out. Bye-bye.